Hey everyone, how's it going? So in today's video, we're gonna take a look at how to make 2,000 bucks a week doing Uber Eats. How many deliveries you need to do, how to get more tips, and how to get higher paying deliveries so you can actually hit that dollar amount. Before we jump in, want to thumbs up the video, tell you to subscribe, and also if you're looking for a new way to make money, there's an incredible opportunity to make money right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. It's something that I've been doing now for 5 years, and I'll just show you on one of my YouTube channels in my dashboard. I've been making over $10,000 a month for years just on one of my pages. It's only May right now, and I've been bringing in over 10 grand a month so far this year. This was last year. I made over 120,000 bucks. Some days making over 1,000 bucks in a single day. So if you want to learn how to do it, click the link below. I'll show you how. There's everything you need to know to get started when you click that link and sign up for a 30-day free trial. So you can try it out, join the group chat, see what other people are doing, get ideas, and maybe start making thousands of dollars per month. And this is not a get rich quick scheme, okay? You will have to put in some work, some hard work, but for years it could create passive income for you. And you know, that's how I was able to buy this house and get out of doing food delivery and Uber and Lyft and all these minimum wage jobs. So without further ado, let's start. Let's start with how to make 2K a week with Uber Eats, and is it worth it? And how much money are you actually wasting on your car and expenses? But let's dive in, okay? So this comes from a guy named Onajon CJ. So as you can see here, just right off the bat, he made $2,000 doing 66 hours and 174 trips. But as you can see, as opposed to the DoorDash video I made, the DoorDash driver who made 2,000 bucks in a week, he made mostly his money on tips. This guy made most of it on earnings, so he actually didn't really get that many trips. But you see he got a big Quest promotion, which is something that DoorDash didn't do. So really quick, we're just gonna bust out the calculator and dive into the numbers. So 2,033 divided by 66.8, basically. He was averaging $30 an hour. So he was doing actually a whole lot better than the DoorDash driver who was only doing 20 bucks an hour. And in tips, 321 bucks, Quest promotion 304. So this is actually really good. And as you can see, this was only during 6 days. So he took off Sunday. So he did about, let's just use 67 for ease here, divided by 6. He did about 11 hours a day. Just over 11 hours per day, but he took off Sunday. I mean, there's a lot of jobs out there where you do work over, 11 hours in a day. But the thing is here, you don't get overtime when you work over, 10 hours. So let's see what his tips and tricks are with this.
I killed myself to make it to a grand. I wasn't tired. I'm kind of robotic.
He said he wasn't tired at all. That's pretty nuts.
And I don't know what you shall know.
I really don't want to get copyright here, so we're just gonna dive into these number with the trips here. But as you can see, the previous balance, he made 1,400 last week. So you can see, he's consistently hitting high numbers. And it really, let's take a look at some of these deliveries. $11 for one delivery, 34 bucks for one delivery, $10 for one delivery, $23 for one delivery. So basically you're just doing non-stop. Look at this one, 1938, 1934, 1928. He's consistently doing trip after trip after trip. He's just accepting almost every single one. So even if it is a lower paying one, like the $6 one, you still accept it because look, you're gonna hit that bonus, guys. That Quest bonus, which, if he hadn't done all those little rides, it would have brought his earnings all the way down to 1,700. So even though you're only making like $3 on some of those rides, or $6 on some of those deliveries, $5 on this one, $5 on this one, I notice a lot of small deliveries, but you can hit boom, boom, boom. Look at this one. That one only took 6 minutes, and then he did the next one. He's like, on to the next one, on to the next one, on to the next one. That way, if you're waiting, oh, I'm gonna find a bigger bat, I'm gonna wait for a bigger delivery, a bigger paying one. Oh, I'm gonna wait for the $20 one, the 30. It's like, yeah, you're missing out. Yeah, you are skipping on all these, but at the same time, guys, you're not gonna hit that Quest promotion at all. So you gotta make sure you're even hitting those smaller ones. So really interesting video. Let me know if you've ever made 2,000 in a week. And again, check out my link below to the Faceless YouTube channel program and see how I've been able to consistently make over $10,000 per month. This is one of my channels. I made over 239,000 bucks. And yeah, and some days hitting well over $1,000 in a single day. So there's a 30-day free trial right now to learn how to do it. There's everything there as well. We also have the TikTok shop program as well to learn how to make money selling products. And those are two free things you can do to get started. And again, you have that 30-day free trial also as well. But TikTok shop and Faceless YouTube, there's no fees to get started on those. So these are, you know, two businesses you can start today to start trying to make money. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Take care. We'll talk soon.